Joe, how you going?
Good.
What do you think of the TroPro? You liking it so
I think
far?
it's great. I think once a year in one location, terrific.
My name's Jade Bear and I'm with TroTech Laser, and my impressions on the event is it's been awesome. Had a really good turnout with some lovely people and some really amazing stands, so yeah.
My name is John Gaskus, I'm from ATW, and this is my second TroPro that we've done now, and it's just quite amazing to see everyone come down and get to know the customers a bit better and just show them the variety of products that we have.
My name is Jim Mank and I work with a company called Causey Mank. We are very pleased to be exhibiting at TroPro. We find it is a great venue for showcasing our products of men's giftware and engraving items, and the whole area of TroPro is well laid out and suits us in selling our products.
So we're Jeanette and Neil Armstrong from Dunedin, New Zealand. We've come over here because we don't have anything like this over home. And I mean, it's awesome. It's been absolutely great.
We've been looking for some suppliers of things that we can't get in New Zealand, and over here we've actually found some good suppliers, so yeah, it's really good.
Awesome. We're definitely meeting people interstate, which is awesome. I really think that kind of foot traffic wise it's been a lot better than last year.
So it's really great to have it as just one big show rather than doing multiple ones in different cities.
Well, it's actually quite good that they've only got one this year because you've got everybody here, so we know we're going to meet everybody.